Okay, hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about 360 Sync with Glue. Applied Software created 360 Sync with Glue to help speed up and automate the gluing process for our clients. It was primarily created to help non-Autodesk customers, essentially giving them a glue button in a non-Autodesk authoring tool, but our Autodesk customers are also going to find a lot of value in this because it improves and speeds up their workflow in Glue. So today what I'm going to show is how to set up and run 360 Sync with Glue. Then I'm going to show you how to automate your upload. And then third, I'm going to show you guys how to set up email notifications. Okay, so we're first going to start by opening up 360 Sync. You'll notice that it's this blue and orange little icon right here. All we're going to do first is we're going to set up our Autodesk account and we're going to save it and test the connection. So once we've tested the connection and it's good, basically what we're going to do is we're going to upload our models for the first time. Now with GlueSync, you actually have to manually upload your model the first time. And the reason for that is because we are actually, like GlueSync needs something to call from originally. We are using the timestamps that are associated with each model and comparing them. And if they are different, then 360 Sync with Glue is going to update your BIM model in BIM 360 Glue. So what you're seeing right now is we are uploading all of our different files to BIM 360 Glue. So right now we're uploading DWG files, Navisworks, Catch files, Navisworks documents, and even IFC files. So just as before with Glue, or anything that works in Navisworks is going to work in Glue. So you can upload any file, whether it's non-Autodesk software or it's an Autodesk file. Okay, so again, first thing that you do is you upload everything to Glue manually. And then once we've got that done, which you can see it's just about done, you double check that everything's in there, and we're actually going to start the 360 Sync process. So the first thing that you need to do is actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to simulate coordination. So I've got a week 1 and a week 2 file, and I'm going to bring my week 2 files into my actual GlueSync folder to simulate that coordination has been done. So the files have been updated. So I'm going to drop those in there since we just uploaded the version 1. And actually, now we're going to create our GlueSync. So I've got it selected, and I'm going to create a new configuration. I'm going to name it after the folder that I am syncing, just so that I know where to go later. It's just a very quick and easy at a glance thing that I can do. Once I do that, I'm going to hit OK, and then the configuration tab is going to show up, and I'm going to select Add. I'll name my mapping, and for this exercise, I'm just going to name it after the model that I'm uploading, which is the sprinkler model, the fire protection FP model. So I'm going to select the model on my desktop, or the folder on my desktop, and then I'm going to select the Glue project, and that's for this demonstration. It's the Rutopian project. Then I'm going to actually find the model, the FP model in on Glue that I just uploaded. So I'll go down there, and you're actually going to see, okay, right there, the fp.dwg file. So great, so we've got that. So now I'm going to save, and then I'm going to add another model. So you can add as many models as you want into your configuration. You could do all of your models, or you could do just one, or if you're a mechanical and plumbing subcontractor, you could just do the mechanical ductwork, the mechanical piping, the plumbing, or you could just do one of them. It's totally up to you. So I'm just going through the same process here. I'm going to select a different file this time. I think I'm actually going to select the mechanical. So as you can see, I've got that in there. So all I do is save. And now I'm ready to run my configuration. I'm just going to add a couple of advanced settings, and then I'm going to save, and then we're going to run. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to automate our upload process. There's two ways to do that. You can either create a launch shortcut or you can run it on a schedule. So the first thing that I did was I'm going to create a launch shortcut. All you do is you just select the configuration in the little tab above, and then you create a launch shortcut. And then basically what happens is an icon appears on your desktop, and once it's created, then you just click it and then the sync runs. Now the other way to automate it is to actually run your glue sync on a schedule. So that's exactly what we're gonna do here. So if you look at the clock down there in the bottom right corner, it says 2:17. So I want to run my sync at 2:18. So I can actually choose when I want my sync up to the second, up to the minute, and I can even choose how often it updates. So I just chose 2 hours. So every 2 hours, it's going to check for my file, and if it's been updated, then it's going to upload it to Glue. So we've got that saved. So that's pretty much the entire setup for 360 Sync. You just set it up one time and you're done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually set up the email functionality with 360 Sync. Okay, so setting up email notifications in 360 Sync is really easy. All you do is just go to the Tools button, then select Configure Email Notification. You just very simply set up your server and put in your email information, your username and password, and then you choose what you want, what type of email you want sent. You can see I just actually created a test email. You're going to see that sent to me here in a second. But essentially, you can set up emails for when they're sent on error, um, or whenever there's a success, and then you can choose a log file for troubleshooting. So this is helpful because um, basically your team knows exactly when everything's updated. So anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.